Good morning, you guys. So today I ordered these off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description. These are 12-month banner, which is great for first birthdays to display. That's exactly what I'm doing, gearing up for my daughter's first birthday. I think they made these out of cardstock. I didn't want to make them myself. That says newborn, and then 1 month, 2 months, and all the way till 12 months. So, and y'all, when I first printed out the pictures, I didn't think about having the pictures vertical. Some of them are horizontal, so if I don't like how it looks, then I will change them. This is tailored as a newborn. This is mainly go like that, but it's a, it still looks good like that. So you're just gonna, and they already have little slits in them to put the picture in, little slits at the 4 corners. So I'm just gonna put those in there. And then it also came with, sorry the lighting is bad, I'm in the kitchen. But it also came with the string, because it has the holes at the top to pull the strings through. How cute is that? I wish it was a little more flat. I may have to, I may put tape on the back. I don't want tape on the picture. Probably put tape on the back just so it'll make it a little more flat and sturdy. So that's the newborn. This is also a newborn pic. Oh, look at my little bean. But I just used the first one instead. And this is her 1 month pic. So we're just gonna do the 1 month here. There's 4. And number 5, month 5 is a horizontal pic, but it's the cutest little picture. All of the pictures are cute. Of course, I'm gonna say that because it's my daughter. Yeah, here's the 5 month. Here's a 5 month picture. And y'all, does this picture look like I did it at like a studio? This is literally my blanket on my bed. And I just got my camera and took the picture. Like, it doesn't take much. Like, I'm not gonna be paying hundreds of dollars for somebody to take my daughter's picture when I knew I was gonna take them all the time. To take pictures, like, you don't have to pay all this money for people to see. I don't know how I want this one. Like, I wish it was long ways like that. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it there for now. I mean, it's not too bad, I guess, but I don't know. Y'all let me know. 6 months, I have different 6 months. Like, I have this one. What would y'all caption this? Look at his face. What would y'all caption that? And then I have this one. And then we have, this was 6 months. Oh my God, look at Taylor. And then this is the same type of picture. I may just use the cupcake one just because it was like half a year. So I'm just gonna use that one. Alright, you guys, I'm about to go to work. I'm gonna end the video right here, and I will show you guys the finished product. Alright, you guys, it's the next day. Excuse me, and I am finally finishing up her pictures. It's like 2 different ones that I was trying to get vertical. Like this one, this is 7 months. I may look through my phone and see if I have Like I said, I'm just probably being extra. It may be fine, but you know, I just want it the right way. But I mentioned earlier that I was going to tape the back so it can be more flat. And I didn't even know it came with 2 things of these, which is actual like tape. It's tape that comes with it. So that's even better. I have all the pictures together. And right now I'm just going through the back and sealing it like that. So now I'm going to put the ribbon on. I guess I will start from the back of the newborn picture. And just bring it over to the front. Like that. It's hard to do without no help. Okay. Then I'm just going to go to the 1 month one and go to the back and over like that until I get to the end. And it's complete, you guys. Chris, come over some.
This way?
I don't know. I'm changing the number 11 and maybe 9 so they can all face up. At least most of them. Oh yeah, that's a sneak peek. We took some last Sunday. We didn't vlog it because she was doing too much. It's cute, babe, huh?
Good job, huh?
Alright, you guys, that wraps up this quick and easy video of just an idea for your child's first birthdays. The banner is just perfect for a first birthday, and after you're done with it, just put it in their room for however long you want to. So the link will be in the description down below on the banner from Amazon. They have rose gold, which is the one I have, gold, silver, blue, whatever color you want. It was only $7.99, you guys. Of course, plus shipping, but I had free shipping. So yes, so perfect. Love, love, love. And I'm not sure where I'm gonna hang it up at the party, but it's gonna be a hit. Okay, so y'all stay tuned for more uploads. Okay, love you.